Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care.
嗨呀，又到了今年的最後一個月，週末我們去了新山2天1夜，順便拍了一支 Vlogmas， 提前祝大家聖誕快樂。
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirit bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thanks. Bye. 他講還會講。So you can see the whole track.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home. There's no better place. Waking up on Christmas Day, tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street, presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day, tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing in the street, presents tied up with a string for you and me. So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say ever so low.
看完这个表情。
Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know better. We come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly, it's Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end.
是比较响的，就像这个样子。
OK。
这个
燕窝西冻。
燕窝西冻一个，还有吗？
啊，就这样。
啊，叫西方米这个选这个煎西冻啊。
对。
谢谢那个。
好可爱。
Best friend on that night under 1,000 Christmas lights, 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 like stars around you that sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you. I'm not alone. It's you and me.
If you just look through the scintillating door, you're gonna see me there, just sitting on my own. I hear the people laugh, but I just check my clock. I've never been the best with Mingler's motto. And then I hear a crash behind my back. One glass of mulled wine rains down my jacket. Then I see you blushing, and suddenly it's clear when I look at you that Christmas is here. You tell me, don't you think this place is looking crowded? And then you whisper in my ear, I'm not even sure. My mind's a little clouded, but it looks like Christmas is here.
You ask me about my sweater with Santa in space. I tell you it's a gift from the owner of this place.
And then you're looking up and tell me with a glow, it looks like we stand under a mistletoe. And then we feel a bump
behind our back,
somebody pushing you,
or the table cracks.
And then I'm thanking Santa,
this must be a sign,
'cause you found his space sweater
is now full of wine.
Tell me, don't you think this part is very loud? That's why you whisper in my ear,
let's find another place and leave behind this crowd. And then I know that Christmas is here. Saw you through the door, just sitting on your own. Decide to break the ice by setting up the tone. Looking for a way to finally catch your eye. Couldn't think of nothing better than a glass of spilled wine. You tell me, don't you think this party's very loud? That's why you whispered in my ear. Let's find another place and leave behind this crowd, 'cause Christmas is finally